A little heat to your yarn? Trust me, there is no harm. In fact, this tiny trick is going to give you a more neat and professional finish in your all crochet projects, and you can make the difference in the final look. So let's reveal. Welcome back to the Happy Heels. Let's see how we can crochet this pot of cactus with the storage box inside. And this storage box is a hidden gem. You can use it for a multiple purpose, as you can see. And here is the material which we are going to require. So let's begin. So I'm using here 4-ply acrylic yarn. Start with taking a magic ring, insert hook and pull a loop through. Now just make a slip knot. Here. Now we'll start our round 1. So chain 2. Now work double crochet to the ring. Just yarn over, pull yarn through the ring and work first 2 stitches and then next 2 like this. Now repeat the process. Here. So likewise we have to work total 8 double crochet to the ring. So here we are done with round 1. You have to pull the yarn tight to close the ring. Here. Now we'll slip stitch to the very first double crochet. Here. Now chain 2 to start next round. 1, 2. And we'll consider this chain 2 as a 1 double crochet. So work next double crochet into the same stitch. Here. So this is our increased double crochet. So now in this round we have to work increased double crochet per stitch. So go to the next stitch and work 2 double crochet into the same stitch, and that is your increased double crochet. So now we'll follow the same pattern to complete the round. So here we are done with round 2. Now just slip stitch to the very first double crochet to end this round. Here. Now chain 1 and slip stitch to the next. Here. Now we'll repeat the same to work our round 3. Chain 1 and slip stitch to the next like this. So again chain 1 and slip stitch to the next. Okay. So we'll now just repeat this process and we'll complete this round. And here we go. So the last pattern from the round 3 will give a nice border finish to your product. Now we'll slip stitch to the very first channel and we'll end this round. Here. Now chain 1 and cut the yarn off. Now secure this left yarn. And here we are all done. So now following this same pattern, we have to crochet total 5 pieces. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that's all you are going to require to make a cactus. and then assemble. But before that, we'll work this little step to give our crochet a neat look. So you have to perform this step only in case if you are using acrylic yarn. There is no need to do it in case of cotton yarn. So here we are just heating the edges of our crocheted items, but while performing this you have to make it from a better distance, otherwise you'll end up burning your product. So here we can see the difference. The left one is more highlighted and clear as compared to the right one. So this process is simply to remove all the hairy hair from all the crocheted items you have woven. So yes, repeat the same process and work it for all. You can see all my circles are properly highlighted and clear, right? So next we'll see how to assemble. So before you assemble, we have to fold it to the half as shown. And likewise we'll do it with all other circles, and then we'll sew them together using a tapestry needle. And in case if you want to buy any of the product which I have been using in my tutorial, then please go find the link in description. There simply click and you can buy it over. So now we have to collect all these circles together. So using this tapestry needle, we have to sew them together, finding a proper center while taking out the thread from here like this, here. And we'll repeat same in case of all. So once you are done taking all those circles fold into the thread, just cut the yarn and repeat the same process to the other end like this. But this time we will be working with a single strand of yarn instead of double as from the previous. And again you have to pierce it to the same, as you can see here. Now just take the needle out and cut the yarn to an appropriate length so you can make a knot. So just pull the yarn tight and make a tight knot. And here. Now we'll just cut the extra yarn. And we'll make a knot from the other side as well. Okay, so now just cut the extra yarn. And here we go. So till here it's all done crocheting a cactus. So it's very simple and easy to do it. Next we'll see how to fix this to the pot, which is also a storage box, and this we'll see further how to crochet. Before that, let's see how to fix it. So here I am using a hot glue gun. Just press it little longer, and here it's done. Next we'll crochet this pot or as well flower for top. So start working flower. I'm using here 4-ply cotton yarn and a hook size 2.5 mm. Starting with taking a magic ring, insert hook, pull a loop and make a slip knot. Here like this. Now we'll work 5 single crochet into the ring. Now pull the yarn tight to close the ring, and we'll slip stitch to the very first single crochet. Change the yarn color to pink while working this slip stitch. Here. Now to work petals, we'll chain 3 and 3 double crochet into the same stitch. then chain 3 and slip stitch to the next. Now we'll repeat the same process. Chain 3, then 3 double crochet into the same, next we'll chain 3 and slip stitch to the next. So now we'll just repeat and work all our petals. So this is how it will come out after working. Now chain 1 and cut the yarn off. And here it's done. I have created this one in white color. You can follow the same pattern and choose color of your choice. Now we'll just fix it to the top of cactus. So we'll again use the hot glue and pin it to the position here. Press it for a while and it's all done. So that's all for the day. In next video we'll see how to crochet this cute pot or a storage box. Also I'll mention the link in description for the crocheted pot. Okay, then see you in next tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to show your support. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.